Okay, so we've got the OxyCloner by Hydrofarm. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside this box. It's a 20 site, so it's the smallest version of this, and it's supposed to be a complete cloning system basically in a box. So let's open it up. Alright, so up on top is the lid where the neoprene plugs or whatever you choose to use go inside here. This is actually pretty durable plastic, but I have a feeling if you were to drop this on a hard surface it would crack very easily. Obviously there's some instructions, and here's the pack of the plugs. I got blue. I think these come in multi-colors, so you have a choice. And obviously inside, being a Hydrofarm product, they've included active aqua items. So there's a water pump, there's an air pump, tubing, an air stone, and the bucket. And this looks to be about the size of what I am using for a micro DWC, which you may or may not have seen in some previous videos. If you're not seeing the videos on this channel, it's because I have another channel dedicated to a whole different plant species altogether. And it comes with a, looks like a sticker that was falling off. But anyway, everything's shipped in good condition. It's just molded plastic, so again, this is brittle. If you were to drop this on a hard surface, it would break. I wouldn't even drag this along a hard surface because it would probably grind right through this. Alright, well that's what's inside the OxyCloner by Hydrofarm. And we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up.